guys, Gamma Guy here, and today we will show you how to make a expert house. We've already done a simple house, but this is not like expert really. It's like better than the last one. So you're gonna start with 5 blocks up and 5 blocks across. Should create this shape, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm kind of just making this up straight out of my head, but I don't really exactly remember the dimensions. Okay, so we're gonna make this 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. We're gonna connect these. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we just connect these two. Sure exactly, but I think this is a shape. Right here. Okay, I'll just stick with right here. Okay. Now we just make this 4 blocks. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't have to be aligned. I know this isn't aligned, but if you want it, if you seriously need it to be aligned, you can by making this wall not 11 blocks and 10 blocks instead. Okay. Time to add the floor. As you see, I'm not digging underground. This is so that there isn't a 2-block gap in the roof. And the reason why I even made it 5 blocks down instead of 4 was because I want to make some stairs, which will make it look fancy. Times better with stairs. Well, maybe not 1,000 times better, but what I'm trying to say, it looks better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not an even number, but 1 door does not look good, but 3 doors looks bad too. You could either do 1 door or 2 doors, but sake of it being in the middle, I'm going to do one door. Nice and even. And now time for the lights, because this corner is really dark, so there might spawn bats. So you can pick any light source you want. I prefer either using glowstone or frog lights. I would use this one because it matches with the oak. But you can choose any color or light source you need. But I prefer the blocks because, well, torches just don't look good in my opinion. And I don't like how you can touch the lanterns. So I can make these actually part of the roof instead of just hanging down. Okay. And the reason why I even added a door, not just make this the entrance, because we should make a pool here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 by 9. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so you guys don't have to waste your time, and I don't want your attention span to lower and click out of this video, but so you don't, I'm just gonna skip till this is completely empty. Okay, now that it is empty, time to add some detail. Okay, I'm done. So I added a diving board made out of quartz slabs, smooth quartz slabs, 3 blocks of smooth quartz, 2 blocks smooth quartz slabs, ladders, and then this is the final result. It didn't take that long, but I didn't want to keep it waiting. So now it is finally time to make this nice and full. Woo! Woo! Okay, now it's time to actually do the inside of this house, because we spent most of the time just on the pool. Well, for me, it was like 30 seconds on the pool for you, but okay, so we're going to need a kitchen if we want to have food. I have never made a kitchen like this before, so I'm trying something new. We're going to need this. And maybe some cobblestone will make it look good. And cobblestone slabs. Let's make a cobblestone, counter that we can use. said, I've never really made a kitchen like this. Yeah, well, maybe since we already have that, we can add a sink by doing this. And then we also will need there. And we just fill that with water. There we go. A nice kitchen. That barely even looks like a kitchen. Yeah. Well, we can still cook. And we could wash our hands. Okay, time to make a bedroom. Which we can make on a second floor, but that would be a while to make. But I guess we can do that. And then you could, but this is also kind of empty. So we just add a door over here. Small, but it is a bedroom. And in the bed, we could have a neat colored bed. And then we could use a flower pot, which we then fill with flowers. I would like to use a torch flower. It would be cool if this actually gave off light. Okay. Oh wait. Now we can make the door right here. Oh, wait, now you can't actually get into it. Okay. Okay, now you'll keep it like this. And you could decorate your room with paintings. Yeah, villager painting. This is one of the new ones. And then right here you could, I don't really know, but here you go. Nice house. But it doesn't have a good, roof. What's a house without a roof? Rain. Full of rain. Oh, that's upside down. This will also block the lights that don't look good from above. go. A nice and good house. But I wonder what this will look like at night. Let's just clear my inventory. And now, let's see what it looks like at night. Okay, here's what it looks like at night. It looks pretty good. And you could still jump into the pool. Like you could ever not do it at night. Or you could even sleep. With the villagers staring. But, let's add some windows before we end this video. So you can see outside. I'm gonna use a glass pane. And we're done. Nice and quick. But that's all for today's video. Remember to like the video if you want to see some more Minecraft. Subscribe to support the channel. And peace out. Bye!